what's up, you guys? So as you can tell by the title, we're gonna be doing another Ratchet Salon, and this time I'm gonna be cutting Carson's hair off. So let's get this bread. What do you think, Pay?
I approve of it because it's her, but I still hope it looks okay.
What we're gonna do is we're gonna wet the hair, and then we're gonna split it off into 4 sections, and then once we split it off, we're gonna tie it up with these little rubber bands, and then I'm just gonna cut it. Okay, so her hair is now wet, and there's a towel around her. I'm just gonna turn her around, and then comb her hair out from the bottom to the top, because that's how you get the knots out. And then this will also straighten out the hair. It'll help me make it even. Okay, so now it's all combed out, so we're just gonna section it off. So can you like tilt your head back or like pop a squat? Pop a squat. Oh, okay. Okay.
Maybe I should bring a bench in here. You know, like
You can sit on the shower.
Yeah.
Like on the side of the tub. Okay, so now I have it sectioned off into 5 sections because this side was shaved, so there's a lot less hair over here. So that fit into 2, but then over here there's actually hair, so that needed 3 sections. And yeah, I'm just gonna chop it off right above the rubber bands, and then we'll go from there. So now I'm just gonna cut right above the rubber bands, and then I'll show you where we are after that. Okay, are you ready? Yep. Alright, so this is what we have after I've cut off this much hair. Oh.
I thought as well.
So Peyton's trying to break in to see Carson's hair, but she doesn't get to see it until tomorrow.
And you poked my eye! She was trying to cover up my hair and she poked my eye!
But basically we're done, and I'll show you when it dries by. Okay, so this is the final results. She's cute. Yes. Yes.
You gotta add it to the wall of hair.
Wait, the wall of hair?
We gotta get the magnets and put it underneath the magnets. This is so gross.
Let's get into it. Let's get it. Let's get this. Gamers. Alright. I'm gonna cut right above the rubber bands, and then I'll show you the final result. Well, I'll show you.
Okay.
So now I'm just gonna cut. Alright, so that's what it looks like. Oh my god, you look like Owen! Okay, turn back around. Wait, just to redo that.